Welcome to the project demonstration of automatic active phase selector and SMS alerting using GSM module. So here we are going to select the which phase is active from the three phases for the single phase load. So that will be identified by our microcontroller and it will intimate the same status on the LCD screen and also LED indications, and then after it will send the message alert to the registered phone number. So these are the messages we are going to receive, which load which phase was connected to the load. So for single phase load, we are going to select the active phase. So active phase checking will be done with help of this RPS, regulator power supply board, which will show the status of active phase current status, so that the controller will get switch on the respective relays to provide the respective phases for the single phase load, and also LED indications and message on the LCD screen and SMS alert to the mobile phone through this GSM module. So we are providing 230 volts AC signal to this three phase current circuits. In real time, instead of using this directly, we can provide the 230 volts input to the this power supply, regular power supply checking circuits directly from 230 volts to this one, instead of providing the single phase to three phase. So we are demonstrating the single phase by dividing that to the three phases. So we can just disconnect these two and phase 1 and phase 2 and phase 3 directly. Same for this relay circuits also. So these are the switches are used to isolate the power supply, means activate and deactivate the respective phases. So these current circuits consist of 4 stages: transformation, rectification, filtration and regulation. Transformation to step down the 230 volts AC to 12 volts AC, rectification to convert AC to pulsating DC, filtration to remove the pulses and to provide us the constant DC, and regulation is a 5 volts, because our microcontroller can measure the voltage up to 5 volts only. So we need to regulate that 12 volts to 5 volts, and then after through the switches we have connected to the A0, A1, A2 pins. So here the respective current sensing pins, and next based on that we are going to on this LEDs are connected C1, C2 and C4 pins, and the same relays are connected to the C5, C6, C7, and LCD display at pin number B2 to B7 and B0, B1 for this GSM module. So let us see demonstration. Before on the kit, insert the SIM card as I shown here. The knot should be this side and push to forward lock, and then initially on the power supply to this adapter GSM module, and next on the power supply for this phases. So wait the system get booting. After that this LEDs will on and off 2 times, and now the system is sending the message based on the active phase. Now the three phases are active. When the three phases are active, then it will go with the first preference, that is the red phase. Right. So now we got the message. The load was connected to the R phase, and after that, if I isolate the power supply, means the R phase was absent, then you can see that Y phase got on and the sending message. So we got the message, the load connected to the Y phase. Same, if the Y phase also getting switched off, then the load was connected to the B phase. We can see the same respective status from the LEDs on the respective relays. Here the same relays. Now the system is connected to the load to the B phase. The all phases are off. Then automatically the load also will get switched off, as there is no power source from the any phase. Again, when it is back to the R phase again. So in this manner we are going to provide the active phase for the single phase loads by using the PIC microcontroller. So here using PIC 16F73 microcontroller.